Hello and welcome to this tutorial on our C-Trans MS200 multisensor. The sensor is part of our C-Trans SCM-IQ smart condition monitoring system and measures vibration and temperature. Today we will be covering the initialization and installation of the sensor. Let's start with the initialization of the sensor. First, we unscrew the lid of the sensor. As you can see, we have open circuit boards on the sensor, so before we do any further actions, we will put on a clean pair of gloves. Since the sensor comes with the battery already installed inside the housing, but not yet plugged in, all we need to do is plug this little connector into its socket on the circuit board. The booting process starts immediately, and the completion is indicated by this LED blinking for 1 second. Now the sensor is active, and to make sure the lid comes off smoothly on the first battery replacement, we will put some grease on the threads and ring of the sensor. To apply the grease, we open the grease package and apply a thin layer of it on the thread and the ring. After that, carefully reattach the lid and screw it tight. Now that the sensor is initialized, it is ready to be mounted. In today's video, we are going to cover 3 different options to mounting the sensor. First, a direct screw-on solution. Secondly, a clamp-on solution. And thirdly, and only a temporary attachment, a glue-on solution. The asset we will be monitoring today is a rotary pump. In general, we recommend to place the sensor as close to the vibration sources as possible. However, due to the robust anomaly detection algorithm we use, there is no specific mounting position required. In today's example, we are going to monitor the bearing, the inlet, and the rotor of the pump. So let's start with the first option, the screw-on. Most assets already provide some sort of threads or stud bolts, and we can utilize them to mount our sensor directly. For tight spaces, or if the asset doesn't already provide some sort of mounting point, you can also clamp the sensor to surrounding pipings. For temporary mountings, and only for those, you can also directly glue sensors onto an asset. Thank you for watching this tutorial. As you can see, the MS200 is quite flexible with 3 different mounting options. If you would like to find more information, go to siemens.com/ms200.